Respected masters, Buddhist practitioners, Amitabha, I'm Zora. A friend asked me what does the Huixiang or transference at the end of the video mean. I thought the question is very good and representative, so that I decided to make a video to explain about it. Transference, parinamana or Huixiang, means to take something from oneself and direct it toward another or others. This operates through sympathetic resonance. In the transfer of merits, one's mental power is transmitted via the power of Buddha's and Bodhisattva's vows toward the specific recipient or recipients. This process is analogous to sunlight traveling through the air, striking a reflective object, such as a mirror or metallic object, and thereby illuminating a dark room. Although the dark room is not directly exposed to sunlight, the reflected or transferred light can illuminate it. At the same time, although one transfers merits, one's own merits do not decrease one iota. Analogy from the Buddhist sutra compares this process to an oil lamp lighting other lamps. Although one lamp may light many other lamps, the original lamp in no way becomes less bright. In fact, it makes the surrounding even brighter. My understanding here is that we are equal to the mirror or metal, giving back the light of the Buddha and Bodhisattva that has illuminated us to illuminate others and ourselves. We are cultivating generosity. I'm not sure if it's right. Welcome to leave comment to discuss. So, Buddhists certainly believe that one can transfer merit accumulated by oneself to another person. Therefore, after performing meritorious action, an orthodox Buddhist will aspire to transfer the merit gained toward all sentient beings. Such behavior springs forth naturally from a compassionate mind. I think Master Shengyan's explanation is the most vivid and the best I've ever understood about Huixiang. Therefore, I advocate that we give our merits for the world peace, the extinguishing of struggle, the over of the pandemic, and the eliminating of natural disasters and man-made disasters as soon as possible. As a mainland Chinese living in the United States, Taiwan, Japan, Australia, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Europe were all used to be the place I've longed for. Today, the relationships between them and China is so tense. In the eyes of us Buddhists, people in the world have no differences in origination. They are all sentient beings. For me, looking in the eyes and worried in the heart. How about you guys? Let's continue to transfer our merits to our suffering beings. Nammo Amitabha.